Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unlike someone in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this is the interface of Badoo, and now we are gonna look at how to unlike someone right here. Well, at this tab, you can see these two options that says cross and this heart like icon. To unlike them, you have two methods. Either you can swipe left to unlike them, or for simplicity, what you can do is click on this cross icon button here as well. I'm gonna click on it, and there you go. That's how you unlike someone. In context that you want to like someone, what you need to do is simply swipe right. In case you unlike them, swipe left, and in case you like them, swipe right. Well guys, that's it. That's how you unlike someone in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.